are the rising star.
Welcome back, children. You are watching our channel WATRstar. Today we will learn animals' names along with sentences from A to Z. Look, what's this? This is my favorite alphaTUB board. Let's quickly look inside. alphaTUB includes tub board along with 26 letters and tub sheets. Every sheet includes different examples related to the alphabet. Just slide in one sheet and give it to your child to play. This will build their vocabulary. You can also create your own tub sheet through alphaTUB app like I have created for animals. If you wish to purchase alphaTUB board, then get the link in description box and do not forget to use my promo code to get 40% discount. A for alligator. That is an alligator.
Wow!
Remember, we use the word that when something is far away from us. Say with me, that is an alligator.
Hooray!
B for bear. That is a bear.
Wow!
Say with me, that is a bear.
Hooray!
C for cat. That is a cat.
Wow!
Say with me, that is a cat.
Hooray!
D for dog. That is a dog.
Wow!
Say with me, that is a dog.
Hooray!
E for elephant. That is an elephant.
Wow!
Say with me, that is an elephant.
Hooray!
F for flamingo. That is a flamingo.
Wow!
Say with me, that is a flamingo.
Hooray!
G for giraffe. That is a giraffe.
Wow!
Say with me, that is a giraffe.
Hooray!
H for horse. That is a horse.
Wow!
Say with me, that is a horse.
Hooray!
I for iguana. That is an iguana.
Wow!
Say with me, That is an iguana.
Hooray!
J. J. J for jellyfish. That is a jellyfish.
Whoa!
Say with me. That is a jellyfish.
Hooray!
K. K. K for kangaroo. That is a kangaroo.
Whoa!
Say with me. That is a kangaroo.
Hooray!
L. L. L for lion. That is a lion.
Whoa!
Say with me. That is a lion.
Hooray!
M. M. M for monkey. That is a monkey.
Whoa!
Say with me. That is a monkey.
Hooray!
N. N. N for Nyala. That is a Nyala.
Whoa!
Say with me. That is a Nyala. O. O. O for owl. That is an owl.
Whoa!
Say with me. That is an owl.
Hooray!
P. P. P for pig. That is a pig.
Whoa!
Say with me. That is a pig.
Hooray!
Q. Q. Q for quail. That is a quail.
Whoa!
Say with me. That is a quail.
Hooray!
R. R. R for rabbit. That is a rabbit.
Whoa!
Say with me. That is a rabbit. S. S. S for snake. That is a snake.
Whoa!
Say with me. That is a snake.
Hooray!
T. T. T for toucan. That is a toucan.
Whoa!
Say with me. That is a toucan.
Hooray!
U. U. U for urchin. That is an urchin.
Wow!
Say with me, that is an urchin.
Hooray!
V. V. V for vulture. That is a vulture.
Wow!
Say with me, that is a vulture.
Hooray!
W. W. W for whale. That is a whale.
Wow!
Say with me, that is a whale.
Hooray!
X. X. X for xerus. That is a xerus.
Wow!
Say with me, that is a xerus.
Hooray!
Y. Y. Y for yak. That is a yak.
Wow!
Say with me, that is a yak.
Hooray!
Z. Z. Z for zebra. That is a zebra.
Wow!
Say with me, that is a zebra.
Hooray!
See you in next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.